Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage date and time settings on Apple TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon in our main menu, navigate to the general, then scroll down and look for the date and time. Now, first option is set time automatically, and you can turn it on and off. When the set automatically is off, you can change your time zone manually by typing in your specific time zone. Now let's go back, and next option is the time format, and here you can switch between 12 hours and 24 hours clock. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.